In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on Tradovate. By the end, you'll have your account ready, real-time data enabled, and a clean customized chart set up so you can navigate the platform with confidence. First, let's get your account set up. Head over to Tradovate and register for an account. You can open a standard personal account, or if you're working with a funding firm, you can use the credentials and structure they provide. Once your account is created, log into the Tradovate web platform. On your first sign-in, you'll be prompted to review and sign the necessary agreements. This is standard for futures trading and ensures you understand exchange rules, margin policies, and risk disclosures. Take a moment to read through them carefully, then complete the signatures. When these are done, your account will be fully enabled for platform access. Next, let's switch on live market data. To do that, complete the Non-Professional Data Subscriber Certification. This brief questionnaire confirms that you're using the data for personal trading and that you don't meet the criteria of a professional user. It matters because live futures quotes are licensed differently based on your status. Once you submit the certification and it's approved, you'll get real-time price updates instead of delayed quotes. If you ever notice your charts aren't moving tick by tick, double-check that this certification is completed and active. Now, let's set up your interface. In the web platform, click the plus icon to open a new tab or module. In the search bar, type the symbol for the instrument you want to follow. For example, MAU-ES is the E-mini-S and P500 futures. You'll see a list of contracts, typically organized by expiration month and year. Select the contract you intend to view. If you're not sure, the front-month contract is usually the most liquid and widely traded. Once selected, open it in a chart. Customize your chart so it's clean and informative. Switch the chart type to candlesticks for a clear view of price action. Choose a time frame that matches your style. Common intraday choices include 1, 5, or 15 minutes, while swing traders might prefer hourly or daily. Add indicators like exponential moving averages. For example, a faster EMA paired with a slower EMA can help highlight momentum and trend direction. Adjust colors and line thickness so everything is easy to read at a glance. The goal is a layout that helps you quickly interpret trend, volatility, and recent price structure without clutter. That's it. You've registered and signed your agreements, enabled live data with a non-professional certification, and built a professional-looking chart for the ES futures contract. You're now set up to navigate Tradovate smoothly and focus on your analysis.